In this video, I will show you step by step how to download and install Oracle VirtualBox on Windows 11. And before that, I will also guide you on how to enable virtualization in your BIOS settings, which is required to run virtual machine smoothly. Welcome to DBA Master. I am Muthasiva. Let's get started. Virtualization allows your computer to run multiple operating systems at the same time. For example, you can run Linux or even another Windows version inside your Windows 11 computer using VirtualBox. How to check virtualization enabled or not? Go to Task Manager, click Performance tab and click CPU and verify virtualization status. If it shows enable, go to download and install the VirtualBox. If it shows disable, we need to enable it from BIOS. How to enable virtualization in BIOS? Restart the PC while putting press BIOS key. This key depends on your PC manufacturer. For Lenovo, press F1 or F2. For Dell, press F2. For HP, press F10. Restart your computer. While putting, press F2. Click configuration menu. So verify Intel virtualization technology, Intel VT feature and Intel hyper threading technology. Disabled, we change to enabled. Once done, press F10. How to download and install the Oracle VirtualBox on Windows 11? Open the browser. Go to virtualbox.org website, click download packages, click to Windows host, open the VirtualBox exe file, click yes, click to next, accept the agreement, next, click yes, click yes, click next, click to install. Once installed, click to finish. This is a VirtualBox Manager interface. You can creating virtual machines.